Hi, this week we're going to be painting the Strelitzia. We had a request, it was part of our competition for a new idea for a new tutorial, and they were all fantastic ideas, but the one that jumped out, which was one I wanted to do first, was the Strelitzia, the bird of paradise. And I've got another painting here that I did of it some time ago, just to show you that it's a flower that I do love and I have painted before. And we're going to be working from a photograph of this beautiful Strelitzia that I saw in Sicily. So hopefully you'll want to paint with me and see about all the beautiful colours that this one fabulous flower can hold. We've got pinks, oranges, blues, browns, purples, you name it, it's in there. And it's a fantastic, fantastic painting for doing these beautiful wet in wet washes. You'll love it.